is the 17th of November 2020. This is Mannilantie 11. Steg C in Järvenpää Träskända, was in Mannilantie, Finland. With 4 floors, amazing, built in 1975 by ValmetSchlieren. The serial number is VS4106 and is going to be inspected in the next year, 2021. Turning 45 years old this year in 2020. Just 4 floors and still an elevator in each staircase.
Yeah.
We still have the staircase B left to film here. We're gonna do it. Hope nobody is standing there or anything.
Yeah.
The capacity is 4 persons or 320 grams. Also, it's good that it's for 4 persons, not just 3.
Yeah.
Now you can press it. Pressed it already.
Spettiit paikkiväinspitään, maintained by Suomi hissiurakointi.
Yep, not a good maintenance, but still keeping it original.
Yeah.
Yes, that's good. That's it.
That's